In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to access Claude Fable 5 and Claude Mythos 5. Let's get started. To access Claude Fable 5, visit the Claude platform and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one using your email address. Once you are logged in, check whether Claude Fable 5 is available under the modal selection menu. Depending on your region and subscription plan, you may need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock access. You can also access Claude Fable 5 through Anthropic's API platform if you are a developer looking to integrate the modal into your applications or workflows. In order to upgrade your plan, click on your profile icon, go to the option Upgrade Plan. Now from here you can upgrade to the Pro or the Max, and with that you will get access to Fable 5. Now let's talk about Claude Mythos 5. Unlike Claude Fable 5, Claude Mythos is not available to the general public. Access is currently limited to approved organizations, research institutions, enterprise customers, and participants in Anthropic's trusted access programs. If you are interested in using Claude Mythos 5, you will need to monitor official Anthropic announcements and apply for access whenever application opportunities become available. Access requests are reviewed individually, and approval is typically based on the intended use case and organizational requirements. For developers and businesses, it's also worth checking whether Anthropic has expanded access to Claude providers, enterprise partnerships, or special research programs. Since availability can change over time, always refer to latest official announcements and documentation for the most up-to-date information. And that's it. This is how you can access Claude Fable 5 and Claude Mythos 5. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.